In today's video, I will be talking about how my TPT resources will help your child with autism. So what is TPT? TPT stands for Teachers Pay Teachers. It's an online platform where teachers and some parents sell their educational resources. They're digital resources which come in a PDF format, which you can download and then you can prepare it for your child. So we all know children with autism need structured and tailored approach to learning. They need individualized resources in order to facilitate their learning. So there are lots of resources you will find in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. You can go to www.teacherspayteachers.com and you can create a free account. Anyone can create a free account, and then you can look for resources for your child with autism. There are lots of free resources available as well as there are lots of affordable resources available for your child. So I bought lots of Teachers Pay Teacher resources over the years for my own son on the spectrum, and last year I opened my own store, and it's my aim to offer TPT resources for parents like you at an affordable price so you can be a partner in your child's learning. So I have many resources in my store to support your child's learning. I've got some math resources, I've got life skills resources, I have got reading resources, I have got some resources for arts and crafts. So lots of resources, lots of varieties is available in my store. I do have file folders, task cards like these. This is, for example, a task card. So these are task cards to work on colors. You can just cut these task cards, laminate it, and then cut it, and then your child can work on this skill. There are cards similar to this to work on different concepts. I also have file folders which you can use to help your child with initiating a task, because we all know children with autism struggle with task initiation, so you can use that. I have lots of resources for math which support early learning skills in math. So overall, there is a mix of resources. So comment and let me know. Do you know about Teachers Pay Teachers, or have you heard about Teachers Pay Teachers? So do visit my Teachers Pay Teachers store. It is linked in my YouTube bio. So if you click the link, it will take you to my Teachers Pay Teachers store. So do make sure you create a free account. I have a few free resources available for you to try. So you can create a free account and download those resources for free and see how they can help your child. And if you like them, then there are some paid resources which are very affordable, and you can definitely buy them, and that will help your child's learning. So I hope you like this video. Leave a comment and let me know about Teachers Pay Teachers. Have you heard about Teachers Pay Teachers? And if you have any questions about my store, I can answer it for you. And do subscribe to my channel, because I do provide lots of information, tips, strategies in order for you to help your child with autism, because I know firsthand how overwhelming parenting a child with autism can be. Thank you, and share this with a fellow autism parent.